Hey guys, and welcome to my 10th Pokemon hacking tutorial remake. This is just showing you some more of the advanced usages of and tools of Advanced Map. Now I showed you obviously in the previous first Advanced Map part. Left click is obviously the making of tiles, as you can see here, and right click is selecting a certain tile, and then you can use it freely with the left click, which is very helpful if you want to select the same tile on the map. And then the center clicky button is fill. Now other things you can do if you hold down control, so for example if I wanted to make another Pokemon center but I didn't want to put all the tiles there again, this was very helpful for trees. Hold down control, right click, drag it so you got all the block you want, and then you need to left click and you've made your Pokemon center. Bear in mind this will be the top left square you're clicking, so if I keep doing this you've made several Pokemon centers, etc. You get the point. So it's much easier. For example, with trees, if I wanted to make some more trees down here, I could easily go and then just switch back here and get tree. Where is the tree board one? There. Trees that don't have that there. Much quicker than getting all the tiles and doing that. So that's first mouse tools. Now if we up here settings of this, you got the grid. If you turn this on, it puts all the tiles into a grid. It's very helpful if you want to know if you're being very accurate, but if you have it on all the time it can get in the way a bit. So I usually have it off a lot of the time. Show sprites, obviously if you're on the events, it will show the sprites over here. And if you're not, if you turn it off, they will disappear and become people events. Now we also got hide other events, which is just hides of events. Viewing size, now this doubles all the view size. You've got viewing size for double map, so if I click that one, it doubles map size. If I click double movement, so it doubles movement. Viewing size, double palette, so that's obviously for the palette in a minute. Not a minute. So I usually have the double events on. I don't have double map or double movement positions on because they're kind of easy to do. Events you kind of have to click a lot, like be accurate and stuff. What else we got? Combo boxes, don't even know what they do, just combines the boxes, so you don't really want, I don't use that. Map listing, so basically it's just what you've got on the left hand side but up here. Then you've got block palette width. Please specify a new width in which the block palette is supposed to be displayed. I don't mess with that. You can if you want, but yeah. Movement positions transparency. That should. You got movement positions there. So if I let me see, if I turn it to 1. Oops. Where's the 1? Okay. That means that you can't see the movement positions into a position at all. Now if we change it to 0, it's a dot 0. All you can see is the movement positions and not the stuff in the background, which is unhelpful. So for example if we put on 0.5, see how that does. Kinda can see it but not as well, so it's best to keep it with the default 0.3. Okay, and as you can see it's there. What else have we got here? We've got show toolbar, so if you get rid of that it doesn't show the top bit at the top, so you don't really want that off. And you've got language, obviously select the language we're in English obviously. I'm just going to refresh the ROM actually. Just to mention, this doesn't change the from INI, the German, because that's always in German. Just changes the options, I think. Remember last selection, so I suppose it's the last selection here, instead of having to go straight back. So like, I don't know, let's turn it off. So if I select that and then use that there, what does it do? Oh, I don't know, just keep that on. Automatically look for offsets, yes, you want to do that. Professional header view. If you go to header, it's got the professional version of it, all in hex, so keep that off. Much easier to do that. Create backup and opening, so every time you open Advanced Map it will create a backup of your ROM, or backup of the map I think at least. Create shortcut to last user ROM, so file on the left hand side here. and then you've got use AM context menu. I don't know what that is. We'll just turn that off. Choose script editor. It allows you to choose your own script editor. Obviously I use PK SVUI, so I'm just going to exit that. No, I don't know if that's right or not, so I'm just going to go and check. Yeah, it's working. Right, we got recent used files, so just don't use them really. Tools, block editor. I will make a new, that'll be the next video I believe. Map connections, that's going to have a new video itself, but it'll be after part 20, because I need to remake all the originals. World map editor, I don't use that at all. If you see when it opens in a second, yeah, it's very hard to do, just don't bother it really. I will provide a solution for not having a world map in a minute, well, in a few parts hopefully. Tools again, we got open previous map, so I suppose that's the map you're on just now. Create shortcut on desktop for the advanced map, I suppose. I've already got one, so open map is I suppose the map you've saved. So if I click open map, save changes. See, you have to open the map. Just opens a random map on here, so you need to know the map number. Much easier just to look for it. Change map bank, so change the map. It's in. Relocate it, so put it in a different folder, for example. Relocate list of connections, all the stuff here. Relocate what I picked on, loads of stuff, just don't mess with that. Save event picture, save block palette picture. And the toolbar up here is create new map, insert map, open previous map, show sprites, sort by, whatever. Block editor, map connections, world map editor, find free space, and of course about. So I think that's pretty much it for advanced tools here. I make different individual videos for block editor and map connections, so expect those soon enough. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.